एवरीवन, गुड मॉर्निंग। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आई होप आप सभी अच्छे होंगे और आपकी जो एचपी टेट की प्रिपरेशन है वो अच्छे से चल रही होगी। अगर आपने अपना पूरा सिलेबस कंप्लीट कर लिया है तो उसके बाद आपका जो सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट है वो आपकी प्रैक्टिस होती है। आप जितना ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस करोगे उतने ज़्यादा अच्छा स्कोर कर पाओगे एग्जाम में। इसके लिए हमने जो एमसीक्यूज़ की सीरीज़ थी उसमें टॉप 100 क्वेश्चंस कल किए थे और आज हम टॉप 100 क्वेश्चन आज करेंगे। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। First question is the molecular biology concentrates on the structure of nucleic acid, the structure of proteins, the functions of nucleic acids and protein, all of the above. And the correct answer is the option number D, all of the above. Then the next question is the spines on the jackfruit are options are persistent, calyx, epidermal growth, stigma, pericarp, and the exact answer is the option number C, stigma. Spines on the jackfruit are stigma. Then next question is the formation of vinegar from alcohol is caused by options are Clostridium, Bacillus subtilis, Azotobacter, Acetobacter aceti, and the answer is option number D, Acetobacter aceti. Then next question is the cork in the dicotyledonous plants is formed by options are phallogen, phalloderm, phallum, fascicular, cambium, and the answer is option number A, phallogen. Then next question is the genophore is the name of genes in Drosophila, DNA of eukaryotes, DNA of bacteria, genes of Neurospora, and the answer is option number C, DNA of the bacteria. Then next question is the nucleolar organizer contains the genes coding for options are 18S ribosomal RNA, 28S ribosomal RNA, 5S ribosomal RNA, 18S and 28S ribosomal RNA, and the answer is option number D, 18S and 28S ribosomal RNA. The next question is the melting point of DNA depends on the options are adenine guanine CT ratio, cytosine and thymine ratio. The next option is ATGC ratio. Next is adenine thymine ratio. Next is guanine and cytosine ratio, and the correct answer is the option number B, adenine thymine and guanine cytosine ratio. Then next question is the elongation of a genetically dwarfed plant is possible by application of options are vitamin, X-ray, kinetin, gibberellins, and the correct answer is the option number D, gibberellins. The next question is the lysosomes are known as societal bags because of phagocytic activity, presence of hydrolytic enzymes, parasitizing on nucleus, proteolytic enzyme, and the correct answer is the option number B, presence of hydrolytic enzyme. Then next question is the if a plant heterozygous for tallness is self, the F2 generation has both tall and dwarf plants. This proves the principle of options are dominance, segregation, independent assortment, incomplete dominance, and the answer is option number B, segregation. Then next question is the an exception to Mendel's law of inheritance is independent assortment, dominance, purity of gametes, linkage, as the answer is option number D, linkage. Next question is the coliphages contains options are RNA, DNA, DNA on RNA, DNA as well as RNA, and the correct option is the option number A, RNA. Coliphages contains RNA. Next question is the double fertilization was discovered by options are MEC, Navashin, Maheshwari, and Hofmeister. The correct answer is the option number B, Navashin. The next question is the edible part of an areca nut is mesocarp, endosperm, endocarp, thalamus. The correct answer is the option number B, endosperm. The next question is the principal and naturally occurring auxin in higher plant is options are malic hydrazide. Next option is 2,4 dichlorophenoxyacetic acid, indole acetic acid, and naphthalene acetic acid, and the correct option is the option number C, indole acetic acid. The next question is the tritiated thymidine is used for the study of RNA metabolism, DNA replication and metabolism, synthesis of protein, and various tritiated amino acid, DNA replication and RNA metabolism. Then the exact answer is the option number B, DNA replication and metabolism. The next question is the root formation in cutting is induced by 2,4 dichlorophenoxyacetic acid, abscisic acid, gibberellins, and indole butyric acid. The correct answer is the option number D, indole butyric acid. The next question is the trophic levels are formed by options are only plants, only animals, only carnivores, organism linked in food chain. The correct answer is the option number D, organism linked in food chain. The next question is the in submerged hydrophytes, which of the following is present? Options are cuticle, air sacs, Air species, well-developed sclerenchyma, well-developed vascular tissue. The correct answer is the option number B. Air species in submerged hydrophyte, which of air species are present. Then next question is the DNA is always, most important question, DNA is always, options are always double-stranded, rarely single-stranded, always single-stranded, rarely double-stranded. The correct answer is the option number B, rarely single-stranded. DNA is rarely single-stranded. Then next question is the sapwood is synonym with bark, periderm, outer layer of secondary xylem, inner layer of secondary xylem. The correct answer is the outer layer of secondary xylem. The next question is the in Funaria, stomata are found in leaves, stem, capsule, archegonia. The correct answer is the option number C, capsule. In Funaria, stomata are found in capsule. The next question is the nitrifying bacteria convert, options are nitrogen and into nitrates, ammonia or ammonium compounds into nitrates, nitrates into nitrogen, carbon dioxide into carbohydrate, and the correct option is the option number B, ammonia or ammonium compounds into nitrate. The next question is the internal membranes are extensions of cell membrane because the walls are double layered. In the case of, options are Golgi bodies, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, or organelles present in a cell. Then the correct answer is the option number C, endoplasmic reticulum. Then next question is the bacteria responsible for cholera are, options are Vibrio, Bacilli, Spirula, cocci. The correct answer is the option number A, Vibrio. The next question is the ribosomes are attached to the surface of endoplasmic reticulum by, options are covalent action, hydrostatic forces, ionic interaction, ribophorines. The correct answer is the option number D, ribophorine. The next question is the all organelles have double membrane except endoplasmic reticulum, lysosome, chloroplast, mitochondria, and the correct answer is the option number B, lysosome. The next question is the term ecosystem was proposed by, options are Baling, Autumn, Tansley, Warming. The correct answer is the option number C, Tansley. The term ecosystem was proposed by Tansley. The next question is the pyramid of number of individual per unit area in a grassland ecosystem shall be, options are linear, upright, irregular, inverted. The correct answer is the option number B, upright. The next question is the bacteria that cause botulism, that is the food poisoning, belongs to the genus. Options are Staphylococcus, Pseudomonas, Clostridium, Bacillus, and the correct answer is the option number C, Clostridium. Clostridium. The next question is the mRNA of known sequence was synthesized by, option are Occhio, Khorana, Nirenberg, Crick, and the correct answer is the option number B, Khorana. The next question is the genetic basis of adaptation was demonstrated experimentally by, options are Lederberg, Charles Darwin, Weizmann, Hugo de Vries, and the correct answer is the option number A, Lederberg. The next question is the amitosis usually occur in, options are prokaryotic cells, eukaryotic cells, spore mother cells, and meristems, and the correct answer is the option number A, prokaryotic cells. The next question is the pollination in Aristolochia is termed as, options are lever mechanism, clip mechanism, trap mechanism, piston mechanism. The correct answer is the option number C, trap mechanism. The next question is if heterozygous tall plant is crossed with a homozygous dwarf plant, the proportion of the dwarf plant is, options are 50%, 25%, 75%, and 100%, and the correct answer is the option number A, 50%. Then next question is a functional unit of a gene which specifies synthesis of one polypeptide chain. Polypeptide is known as, options are clone, recon, codon, cistone, and the correct answer is the option number B, option number D, cistone. Then next question is the stigma factor of RNA polymerase is required to, options are start DNA replication, recognize the correct start signals on DNA, recognize the correct start signals on RNA for the transcription of RNA and DNA molecules. Then the correct answer is the option number B, recognize the correct start signals on DNA. The next question is all the individuals derived by vegetative propagation from a single individual are known as, options are population, community, clone, none of the above. The correct answer is the option number C, clone. Then next question is which are the chief nutrient group involved in the growth and repair of the cell membrane? Options are fats and mineral, protein and lipids, vitamins and enzymes, carbohydrate and water, and the correct answer is the option number B, proteins and lipids. The next question is the conversion of nitrates into NH3 ammonia is carried out by Rhizobium azotobacter, Bacillus mycoides, Nitrosomonas. The correct answer is the option number D, Nitrosomonas. Next question is the which of the following is an exception of cell theory? Options are bacteria, fungi, virus, lichens, and the correct answer is the option number C, virus. The next question is the how many meiotic divisions are necessary to produce 100 seed? Options are 100, 125, 150, 200. The correct answer is the option number B, 125. The next question is the cross pollination through the agency of birds is called Chiropterophily, Ornithophily, Malacophily, and Timophily. The correct answer is the Ornithophily. Next question is the test cross in a monohybrid cross is 9:3:3:1, 1:1, 3:1, 1:2:1. The correct answer is the option number B, 1:1. The next question is the which of the following occupies the longest period in a cell cycle? The options are interphase, prophase, metaphase, telophase, and the correct answer is the option number A, interphase. In glycolysis, the net gain is 2 ATP molecules and 2 molecules of NADH2, FADH2, FMNH2, and NADPH2. The correct answer is the option number A, NADH2. The next question is the first cyanophage to be discovered was polyphage, LPP1, T1 phase, TMP. The correct answer is the option number D, TMP. Then next question is the viral DNA attached to bacterial DNA is called provirus, temperate phage, zoophase, plague. The correct answer is the option number A, provirus. The next question is the universal hydrogen acceptor is ATP, FMN, coenzyme, NAD. The correct answer is the option number D, NAD. Next question is the bacteria that change protein to ammonia in nitrogen cycle are nitrogen fixing bacteria, nitrate bacteria, ammonifying bacteria, denitrifying bacteria, and the correct answer is the option number C, ammonifying bacteria. The next question is the number of chiasma formation during crossing over is directly proportional to the options are length of chromosomes, distance between the genes, number of genes on the chromosome, all of the above. The correct answer is the option number A, length of chromosomes. The next question is the genetic recombination in bacteria brought about by viruses is options are transformation, transcription, translocation, transduction, and the correct answer is the option number D, transduction. Next question is when the cell is fully turgid, which of the following will be 0? Options are tugger pressure, wall pressure, suction pressure, osmotic pressure, and the correct answer is the option number C, suction pressure will be 0. The next question is if a virus infects bacterium growing on P32 containing medium and then multiplies, it will incorporate P32 in its DNA and protein code but not DNA but not the protein code, none of the above. The correct answer is the option number C, DNA but not the protein code. Next question is the bacterial photosynthesis does not involve options are ADP synthesis, cyclic electron transport, oxygen evolution, and the synthesis of carbohydrate, and the correct answer is the option number C, oxygen evolution. The next question is the cyclic photophosphorylation release. Options are ATP and NADPH2, ATP, NADPH2, and oxygen, ATP only and NADPH2 only. The correct answer is the option number C, ATP only. The next question is the lichens are most sensitive to options are carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and carbon monoxide, dust, and radioisotopes, and the correct answer is the option number B, lichens are most sensitive to sulfur dioxide and carbon monoxide. The next question is the cynocytic forms in fungi belongs to options are Phycomycetes, Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes, and Schizomycetes, and the correct answer is the option number A, Phycomycetes. The next question is the instantaneous source of energy is amino acid, fats, glucose, and proteins, and the correct answer is the option number C, glucose. Instantaneous source of energy is the glucose. The next question is in Saccharomyces, meiosis occurs in ascospore, ascus, zygote, clistothecium, and the correct answer is the option number B, ascus. In anaerobic respiration, the end product is options are pyruvic acid, ethyl alcohol, starch, and sugar. The correct answer is the option number B, ethyl alcohol. Next question is a plant which is normally a parasite but can also act as saprophyte is called. Options are obligate parasite, facultative sporophyte, facultative saprophyte, and facultative parasite. The correct answer is the option number B, facultative saprophyte. Then next question is the Calyptra in Funaria always 12 from. Options are jacket of venter of Archegonium, neck of Archegonium, paraphysis surrounding Archegonium, outgrowth of gametophyte. The correct answer is the option number A, jacket of venter of Archegonium. Next question is the ATP synthesis occurs on. The options are matrix, outer membrane of mitochondria, inner membrane of mitochondria, none of the above. And the correct answer is the option number C, inner membrane of the mitochondria. The next question is the development of sporophyte from vegetative cells of a gametophyte is called apospory, amphimixis, apomixis, and apogamy. And the correct answer is the apogamy. Next question is the major source of industrial pollutants such as a tertiary ammonium compound alkalis in an industry is called. Options are pharmaceuticals, food processing, soap and detergent, mining. The correct answer is the option number D, mining. The next question is the when Morgan did a reciprocal cross of white-eyed female and red-eyed male, the progeny were. Options are all females red-eyed and all males white-eyed, all males red-eyed and all females white-eyed, both red and white-eyed females, as well as males in equal proportion, all white-eyed females. And the correct answer is the option number B, all males red-eyed and all females white-eyed. Next question is the a pattern of inheritance of white eye color in Drosophila shows that gene is located on Y chromosome, located on autosomes, located on X chromosome, sex linked. The correct answer is the option number C, located on X chromosome. The next question is the carbon dioxide joins the photosynthetic pathway during. Options are late reactions, dark reactions, photosystem 1, photosystem 2. The correct answer is the option number B, dark reactions. Then next question is the how many times mitotic division will take place to produce 128 cells from a single parent cell. The correct the options are 128, 127, 164 and 32, and the correct answer is the option number B, 127. The correct answer is the option number C, 64. The next question is the most plant obtain their nitrogen from the soil in the form of. Options are HNO3, nitrate, free nitrogen gas, nitrogen oxide, and the correct answer is the option number B, nitrate. Next question is the core of nucleosome is made up of. Options are DNA, none histones, H2A, H2B, H3, H4, H1 histones, histone, H2A, H2B, H3, and H4, and the correct answer is the option number C, H2A, H2B, H3, H4, H1 histones. The next question is the plasmids. Options are outgrowth of plasma membrane, part of ribosome, extranuclear DNA, or plastid. The correct answer is the option number C, extranuclear DNA. Then next question is the DNA replications occur in. Options are S phase, G1 phase, G2 phase, none of these. The correct answer is the option number A, S phase. DNA replication occurs in S phase. The next question is the flow of electron in photosystem 1 is. Options are, आप ये ऑप्शंस देख लेना और इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर होगा वो होगा ऑप्शन नंबर सी. Correct answer is the option number C. The next question is the ecologic study of individual species is called. Options are scene ecology, autoecology, community ecology, and none of the above. The correct answer is the option number B, autoecology. Then next question is the wood of cycas consists of. Options are tracheids only, vessels only, equal number of tracheids and vessels, more tracheids and less vessels. The correct answer is the option number A. The wood of cycas consists of tracheids only. The next question is the pneumatophores are present in hydrophytes, mangrove plants, epiphytes, xerophytes, and the correct answer is the option number B. Pneumatophores are present only in mangroves. The next question is the enzymes that can break and reseal one strand of DNA are called. Options are topoisomerase, helicases, primases, DNA polymerase. The correct answer is the option number A, topoisomerase. Then next question is the process wherein bacteriophage pick up pieces of DNA from bacterial cell and transfer the same to another bacterial cell on infection is referred as. Options are transduction, transformation, conjugation, both A and B. The correct answer is the option number A, transduction. The next question is which of the following pollutant decolorizes silver and lead paints? Ozone, hydrogen sulfide, acid rain, and nitrogen oxide. and the correct answer is the option number B, hydrogen sulfide. Then next question is the DNA strand is directly involved in the synthesis of the following except options are tRNA molecule, mRNA molecule, another DNA strand, protein synthesis, and the correct answer is the option number D, protein synthesis. The next question is the single-stranded DNA molecules are found in options are Ross sarcoma virus, TMB, coliform reovirus. The correct answer is the option number C, coliphage virus. The next question is the which of the following is not a macronutrient? Options are magnesium, calcium, iron, and phosphorus. The correct answer is the option number C. Iron is not the macronutrient. The next question is the one of the following ratios is constant in DNAs of different species. Options are adenine plus uracil, cytosine plus guanine. Next option is adenine plus cytosine, uracil plus guanine, adenosine plus thymine, cytosine plus guanine, adenosine plus guanine, thymine plus cytosine. The correct answer is the option number D. Then next question is the product of light reactions in photosynthesis are options are ATP and NADPH2, ATP and glucose, ferredoxin and cytochrome B6 plastoquinone and cytochrome, and the correct answer is the option number A, ATP and NADPH2. Next is what is complementary DNA? Options are clone DNA, cytoplasmic DNA, circular DNA, DNA produced from reverse transcription of RNA. The correct answer is the option number D. Clone DNA is a DNA produced from reverse transcription of RNA. The next question is the in meiosis homologous chromosomes separate from one another in options are metaphase 1, anaphase 1, anaphase 2, metaphase 2. The correct answer is the option number B, anaphase 1. The next question is the apical dominance in higher plant is due to options are enzymes, hormones, carbohydrates, and photoperiodism. The correct answer is the option number B, hormones. The next question is a pure tall pea plant can be differentiated from a hybrid tall pea plant by options are measuring height, counting the chromosomes, selfing and noting that all progeny are tall, selfing and noting that all progeny are dwarf. The correct answer is the option number C, selfing and noting that all progeny are the correct answer is the option number C, selfing and noting that all progeny are tall. The next question is the which of the following enzyme catalyzes the fixation of carbon dioxide in photosynthesis in C4 plants? Options are PEP carboxylase, R ribulase bisphosphate, ribulase bisphosphate oxygenase, and hydrogenase ribulase bisphosphate hydrogenase. The correct answer is the option number A, PEP or phosphoenol pyruvic acid carboxylase. The next question is a pure homozygous offspring in a dihybrid cross in the F2 generation will be 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8, and 1 by 16. The correct answer is the option number C, 1 by 8. The next question is a trisomic individual has a chromosome number of 2n minus 1, 2n plus 2, 2n plus 2, 2n plus 3. The correct answer is the option number B, 2n plus 2, 2n plus 1. The next question is when two plants are genetic constitutions RRTT and RRTT are cross, the phenotypic ratio of offspring will be 1:1, 3:1, 9:3, 3:1, 1:2:1. The correct answer is the option number A, 1:1. The next question is the genes that keeps on changing their location on the chromosomes are transposons, duplicate genes, split genes, pleiotropic genes. The correct answer is the option number A, transposons. The next question is if a cell A with osmotic pressure is equal to 5 and turgor pressure is equal to 4 is surrounded by the cells with osmotic pressure 3 and turgor pressure is equal to 1. What will be the direction of water movement? Options are from cell A to other cells. From other cells to cell A, water will not move. Water will move up. The correct answer is the option number A, from cell A to other cells. The floral formula of family solination is options are option number A. Option number A. Option number B, option number C, option number D, and the correct answer is the option number D is the answer. The next question is the basal placentation is present in options are composite family, solanaceae family, cruciferous family, and leguminosae family. The correct answer is the option number A, basal placentation is present in composite family. The next question is the bicarpellary ovary with parietal precipitation is found in Cruciferae, Leguminosae, Malvaceae, and Compositae, and the correct answer is the option number A, Cruciferae. And the last question is the senescence in plants can be delayed by applying options are auxins, ethylene, cytokinin, and gibberellin. The correct answer is the option number C, सेनेसेंस इन प्लांट्स कैन बी डिलेड बाय अप्लाइंग साइटोकाइनिन। ये टॉप 100 क्वेश्चंस थे बायोलॉजी के जो आपके एचपी टेट में हेल्पफुल होंगे, और इनमें से जो बहुत से क्वेश्चंस हैं वो प्रीवियस ईयर के भी क्वेश्चंस हैं, तो आप इनको अच्छे से पढ़ लें। इनमें से मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चन आपके एग्जाम में आ सकते हैं। अगर एग्जाम में ना भी आए तो भी आप इनको पढ़ लें और अपने आप को असेस कर लें कि आपको कितना आता है। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।